Some people call it fate, others call it luck. Whatever you call it, you've probably been somewhere by chance at exactly the right moment and ended up getting a welcome surprise. I had one of those moments early in my career, and it changed my life. My ability to mimic voices opened up some special opportunities for me. Initially, it was just a hobby. I entertained family members, schoolmates, buddies in the Navy, and my coworkers in a myriad of blue-collar jobs and one white-collar one. I had no idea my future would be in the spotlight in nightclubs, television, cartoons, movies, variety shows, and a host of other exciting places. And maybe it wouldn't have been except for fate, luck, or whatever you want to call it. My world opened up one night because I happened to be on a little stage in New York at just the right moment. It was an unplanned event. Had it not occurred, I don't know where I'd be today.